It's Thursday, March 3rd, 2022. I'm Rihanna.
And I'm Aaliyah.
The Wolf View begins now.
White no, baby!
Tyler Rowe's pop-up prom store will be at White Knoll High School on March 11th during all lunches. There will be prom dresses and tuxedo rentals starting at $99 and up. If you want to purchase a prom dress or a tuxedo rental, please stop by the pop-up prom store in the foyer during all lunches on Friday, March 11th. The Bash fishing team hosted their first tournament of the spring season. Our first place team, Ross Lafayette and Watson Emmett, weighed in with 6.02 pounds, while Big Fish went to Marlon Bloom with 5.23 pounds.
Today we're continuing our Bopper Flop session.
Bopper Flop!
Last week, Bopper Flop Midnight City from M83 was rated a bop by 75% of you.
Today's Bopper Flop is the 1996 hit Return of the Mac by Mark Morrison. Let's check it out.
I knew it from the start. Baby, when you broke my heart, that I had to come again and show you that I win. Your love and mine. All those times I said that I love you. Your love and mine. Yes, I tried. Yes, I tried. Your love and mine. Even though you know I died for you.
I think it was a bop.
I think it's a bop too. Now let us know what you think by going to @WKHSPACYB on Instagram and answering the poll in their story.
Have you ever wondered what happened if you called teachers by their first name? Well, Eddie and Jake decided to find out.
Hey, Tessa, what do you think of a skit where we call teachers by their first names?
That's pretty much my thought.
So is that like a go ahead, like a thumbs up?
Because we already called Matthew by his first name.
What's up, Matthew? What's up, Eddie?
Matthew who?
Feaster.
Whatever.
Lori, we've been running around the whole school. Hey, Rollins, we were just hoping to call you for a second. Did you just call me Rollins? Is that
Not today to be recording me.
Hello, Madison.
There we go.
Don't call me that!
Did you get our message, Madison?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, yeah.
Are you trying to trick me?
No, I'm not. I promise, Steven. That's not what we're doing.
Steven?
What?
My name's Mr. Guess.
Okay, thanks, Steven.
Thank you,
Bye,
Steven.
Steven. Hello, Timothy.
Hello, Poindexter.
Thank you.
That was the Wolf View for today. Have a great day
And go T-Wolves!